Hello everyone, here my colleague and I will fly electrical OHS to the correct installation and removal of fuse in the lvmd panel. Before doing work, we must pay attention to OHS first, such as using a helmet, gloves, wearing a wear pack, and wearing safety shoes. Okay, let's get right to the work. First, we turn off the short first. After that, unplug the fuse correctly, namely, unplug it at the top first. After removing it, let's reinstall the fuse. Do not farm the ACB until you hear stuck sound. After that, turn the shorts back on. Okay, and finish out the video. Thank you.